Have you ever been asked by a friend or stranger to lend your phone? You want to help out, but what if they accidentally swipe into your private photos or messages? Yeah, it's not ideal. But relax. Activating app pinning on your Android phone can provide you with a peace of mind when lending your phone. This is how you can activate app pinning on Android phone. Open settings, scroll down and tap security and privacy. Scroll down and tap more security settings. Scroll down to the bottom and activate app pin app. Also turn on toggle switch for pattern or pin before unpinning. After you enable the feature, here how you can pin an app. Open the application you want to pin. Open up your overview. Long press on the app and you like to pin. Tap pin. When an app is pinned, whoever used your phone will not be able to open and use anything else but the pin app. After they are done using your phone, here's how you can unpin the app. Touch and hold back and overview buttons. When you have asked for your pin, pattern or password, enter it. This is one of those small hacks that protect your privacy in a big ways. Try it out and let me know if it saved you from awkward situations. If you find this video to be enjoyable, please give it a thumb up and subscribe.